Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Signal Messenger for your smartphone. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now type in Signal in the search box and tap the search button. Once you find the Signal Messenger application, tap on the Install button and then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is done, tap on the Open button and this will open up the Signal Private Messenger application. Once the application is opened up, you can tap on the Continue button to create a new account or tap on Transfer or Restore Account. Go ahead and allow access to various settings, and then you can enter your phone number to either create a new account or sign in to an existing account. So that is how you can download and use the Signal Messenger application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.